Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the template to the exact pages and breakpoints you need. This saves time later. Once you've confirmed scope, evaluate frameworks and licenses so you avoid rebuilds. Install Node and your package manager, clone the repo, and open the template in your editor. Make sure to run the dev server immediately. This confirms the template works and reveals structure files you'll modify next. You now replace placeholder content with your real structure while preserving component boundaries so updates stay manageable. Begin by mapping sections, header, hero, CTA, and swap copy and imagery. Then centralize design tokens, colors, fonts, spacing and variables, or a design token file so you change theme in one pass. Once done, adjust grid settings and test common viewport widths. This prevents you finish by wiring real data. Connect the template to your CMS or API and verify previews and caching. Then optimize. Compress images, lazy load below the fold, and defer non-critical JS to boost performance. Run accessibility and cross-browser checks and create a production build. If something breaks, roll back to the last Git commit and isolate the change. Most template issues stem from mismatched tokens or missing assets, so check variables and paths first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.